Welcome back. I was driving along the road here next to Arrowrock, and I saw these two rocks, and I was like, man, I should really fly the drone up there. So yeah, let's go check it out. It's a fucking nature show! I know who I am. You know who I want to be. Don't play me the fool. We both went to school. Someday, laugh away the pain. Make it go away. Welcome back. Do you remember what I said about fire safety? I know who you are. You know who you want to be. Put me alone. I might build a home. Someday, wash away the pain. Make it go away. Well, here we are on another mountaintop. It's beautiful. Hope you enjoy getting up here. Yeah. It's a fucking nature show!